So we have truly set the bar with Redmi Note 11s. It comes with 108 megapixel Pro grade camera, 90Hz FHD plus AMOLED display, 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt Pro fast charging and the powerful MediaTek Helio G96. And better than the perfect R11 on 10, Redmi Note 11 comes with 90Hz FHD plus AMOLED display, power efficient Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 built on flagship 6nm architecture, 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt Pro fast charging and 50 megapixel AI quad camera. Now the Redmi Note 11s comes in three variants. The 6GB plus 64GB variant will be available for Rs 16,499. The 6GB plus 128GB variant will be available for Rs 17,499. And the 8GB plus 128GB variant will be available for Rs 18,499. Now, the Redmi Note 11, the 4GB plus 64GB variant will be available at an introductory launch price of Rs 13,499. The 6GB plus 64GB variant will be available at an introductory launch price of Rs 14,499. And the 6GB plus 128GB variant will be available for Rs 15,999.